Less than 8 data end equals 455 data start equals 67. Greater than Bendigo and Adelaide Bank has had a rough day on the stock market, with its shares taking a major hit following disappointing financial results. Investors reacted sharply after the bank reported a significant drop in profit margins, despite an increase in lending and customer deposits. The stock plunged nearly 18% at one point, marking one of its worst trading days in recent history. Less than P data end equals 925. Data start equals 457. Greater than the bank's first half earnings report revealed that net profit for the 6 months ending December 31st fell by 23.2% to $282.3 million. Cash earnings were also down slightly, dropping 1.1% to $265.2 million. CEO Richard Fennell acknowledged the bank's strong loan and deposit growth, but pointed to rising costs and tighter margins as key challenges. He noted that higher funding costs, driven by increased competition and market conditions, had put pressure on income. Less than IP data end equals 1369. Data start equals 927. Greater than. One of the biggest concerns for investors was the bank's net interest margin, which dropped by 6 basis points to 1.88%. This decline suggests that while Bendigo Bank has been successful in growing its loan book, particularly in residential lending, which rose 5.3%, it is earning less on each loan due to higher funding expenses. Additionally, the bank has been investing heavily in its transformation program, increasing operational costs. Less than P data end equals 1699. Data start equals 1371. Greater than. Despite the challenges, Bendigo Bank highlighted some positives. Customer deposits grew by 5.4%, and total customer numbers increased by 4.9% to 2.7 million. Interestingly, amid the rising cost of living, many home loan customers have managed to stay ahead on their repayments, with 42% of borrowers now at least a year ahead. Less than P data end equals 2023. Data start equals 1701. Greater than. However, concerns about the Victorian economy added to the uncertainty. The bank noted that arrears in Victoria were slightly higher than in other states, although credit costs had not been significantly impacted yet. This, coupled with the broader pressures in the banking sector, weighed heavily on investor sentiment. Less than P data end equals 2322. Data start equals 2025. Greater than. Bendigo Bank's disappointing performance also dragged down other financial stocks, including Westpac, AMP, and the Bank of Queensland. The market's reaction underscores the tough environment banks are operating in, with rising funding costs and tighter margins putting pressure on profitability. Less than Pre data end equals 2548. Data is last node equals data start equals 2324. Greater than. For now, Bendigo Bank is holding its interim dividend steady at 30 cents per share. But the road ahead looks challenging. Investors will be watching closely to see how the bank navigates these headwinds in the coming months. Stay subscribed for more videos.